Cavalier have moved up one place to third in the Wray Nephew Jamaica Premier League table, following a 2-1 win over Humberland in their rescheduled game on Wednesday at the Stadium East Field. There was also a 2-0 win for Harbourview over Dunbeholden.
Cavalier went into their game with an eye on second spot in the league. They needed a 4-goal winning margin over Humberland to assume the position, and it looked likely after 20 minutes with the score at 2-0. The game was only 7 minutes old when Gadale Irving sent them on their way. It took another 13 minutes for the net to be bulging again. Shaniel Thomas was on target for the former champions. But they ran out of gas, and even though Irving scored again in the 37th minute, it was in the wrong net for Humber Lions' consolation. The win took Cavalier to 27 points and into third, one behind leaders Mount Pleasant, but the same as second placed Portmore United.
This game wasn't supposed to go this way. It should have been a little easier. So it is telling me a story, and I'm trying to learn what that lesson was. Definitely fatigue. Maybe I had too many attacking players on the pitch at one time, so they were not pressing the ball when Humberland was in possession. So those are the things I'll have to reassess and see if I can plug those gaps.
I've been working very hard. I've been training a lot with the players. As you can see, we get back doing Busy Atkinson and Richard King into the team. And me and the attackers we're having a great time.
This would have been the 5th loss out of 6 games. So yes, it's a little bit of concern, but we expect this sort of performance sometimes in terms of when you're making a transitional move, you know. So yeah, we accept it, and it's something to work on.
Harbourview made it back-to-back wins after blanking Dunbeholden 2-0 in the second game of the doubleheader at the venue. Like they did on Sunday, Shaquille Bradford and Joshawn Anglin got the job done for the Stars of the East. And they were on hand to do it all over again. Bradford got his goal in the 14th minute, and Anglin rounded out the win in the 34th as Harbourview moved to 9th on 15 points, while Dunbeholden stayed 6th on 21 points.
This is 2 wins back-to-back, so we just need to go on that farm and just keep it up. Don't drop that farm and just get the job done.
Each player fight for each player today, and that's what we ask at Harbourview Football Club. If you come in here, you're going to represent the club. You have to represent the club with your heart. You have to wear your heart on the sleeve. And I'm grateful for the 3 points that the boys did well.
There will be no matches on Sunday, as the league will go on a break to facilitate the JFF elections, which will take place at the Rossies High School in Lucy, Hanover. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.